Okay guys, so how to connect or set up so you have LG Smart TV, and so how to connect set up to Wi-Fi network. So first of all, grab your remote controller, and you need to go to settings. So you need to locate okay, so click on, for example, so you can click on, yeah, from here, yeah, so here you can click and it will go to settings, or yeah, or you can click by using your remote controller. So here it is, yeah, you can click on there as well, and it will should open settings mode. So just click navigate, use these arrows to navigate, yeah, and click on OK button. Now you, oh yeah, or click on remote controller settings and it will open menu instantly. So here is the menu, yeah. Use your remote controller arrows, down arrow, to navigate network, yeah. So here it is, network, and you can see not connected. So what next? Click on OK. So click on OK, and it should open such menu here. Here we are on a network. We need to locate your network, and we need to locate your, yeah, so TV name, go to Wi-Fi connections, click on OK, and here it should load, it should show all networks. So we need to find your network, your Wi-Fi network, uh, so network what you are using at home. So use your remote controller arrows down, and once when selected, click on OK, and here you need to simply enter your password for your network. Once done, you need to click on, here you can switch to enter, right, and click enter OK on your remote controller. Or here you can click on, when enter password, click on uh, down arrow, and it will highlight same color as here, connect, and you will click on OK. So after that, your connection will be successful, and your TV set will be connected to Wi-Fi. So guys, hope this video was helpful for you.